So, the objective of takaful is cooperation and mutual help among the members of a defined group. In a practical sense, takaful can be visualized as a method of joint guarantee among a group of members or participants against loss or damage that may inflict upon any of them. All members of the group pool together their efforts to support the needy. There is four types of takaful model, which is the mudarabah model, the wakalah model, the hybrid model, and the wakaf model. In the mudarabah model, the operator will accept contributions from participants, which are then managed and invested in an exceedingly Sharia compliant manner. The contract specifies that any profit managing the fund are shared between the takaful operator and the participants supported a ratio agreed. In case losses, it will be borne wholly by the participants. However, the takaful operator shall provide an interest-free loan that ought to be repaid when the PRF generates profit. If any underwriting surplus are going to be distributed to the participants. In the wakalah model, the participants appoint the takaful operator as their wakil to manage the takaful fund. In return for providing agency services, operators are allowed to charge fees under the agreement. If there is any profit and underwriting surplus, it will be wholly distributed to participants. By this model, the revenue that operator earns was from the agency fee. The agency fee described within the similarly as returns on the investment of its shareholders' fund. In the event of a cancellation or surrender, the participant is going to be refunded of the online balance of his contribution. Next is hybrid model. Hybrid model is the business model with combinations of two principles, which is mudarabah and wakalah. With this arrangement on the part of the operator, the agency fee can be paid as an advance charge from the takaful fund and at the same time will have the right to share the profit on the investment return of the takaful fund. In mudarabah model, operators based on agency arrangements to charge takaful funds to cover management expenses as well as agency costs. In addition, there is a division of profits on mudarabah from takaful fund investment. For wakalah fees, the model gives discretion to the operator to charge a surplus of takaful funds as a performance fee in consideration of managing the takaful business. In these wakalah fees, there is no issues on surplus does not arise because the surplus wholly returns to participants. Lastly is the wakaf model. In wakaf model, as manager, the takaful operator will perform all functions necessary for the operations of the wakaf against a wakalah fee to be deducted from the contribution paid by the participants. As mudarib, the operator will manage the investment of the takaful fund including its wakaf account in Sharia compliant investment avenues and can share its returns on the investment at an agreed ratio. The wakaf as the owner of the contributions will have the rights to act as a legal entity and deal with its surplus. In takaful policy, takaful participants or mu'amman alai who is later insured against the specific risk pays regular contributions to takaful operators for the purpose of securing things at risk in the future. Minors may not be the contracting party or are not given the trust to manage their property unless they reach age of ruj, which is maturity of mind. Those who cannot be a party in the transaction are also basically incapable be a participant in a policy that relies on the general principles of the contract. So, the legal capacity of the parties as has been made based on the law of the contract was at the age of 16. Lastly is about challenges faced by takaful operator. The first one is the challenge when TO must be able to respond effectively to customer needs and demands as consumers become smarter and demand better product choices, more efficient delivery channels and more customer-friendly practices from takaful operators. Besides that, this is issues that always debated, which is about wakalah fees and the cost of capital. There are issues on the range of the expenses can be charged by the operators as wakalah fees and capital costs can be included. There are arguments between some Sharia scholars that the participants cannot be charged for the capital cost by operators. In addition, if takaful operators choose to allow profit margins to be included in wakalah fees, there is further debate on the extent to which this is acceptable within the limits of Sharia. Lastly, it is about Qard Hasan, which is interest-free loan in Mudarabah Takaful model. It will become challenges for TO when the claim amount exceeds the contributions in takaful practices. In other words, it is not enough for contributions to cover the claims and TO will face a shortage of contributions.